Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about 2 ways to protect your air filters on a Tesla Model 3. So it's very important to protect your air filters because the garbage can easily get into that hole and they're gonna get dirty pretty quickly. So if you're protecting it, they're gonna last longer and you're gonna have cleaner air in your car. So the first thing that I'm gonna talk about is the air filter cover. And this is what I have, and it's pretty easy to install. It just holds on the 3M, and it's a plastic cover with holes in it, so the air can go through the holes properly and none of the leaves or the garbage can get inside. And this is a good way to protect your air filters. So that's number one. And the second way, guys, to protect your air filters is actually to buy another filter, which is pretty small, but it's a air intake filter, which actually goes into the same place as this cover, but instead of taping it with a 3M, it's just going to be a small filter that just goes on top of this hole, and you have an extra filter that filters the air before it gets to the other filters. It's going to be kind of a double protection for your air, and you're gonna have much cleaner air in your car. Whereas the other one, the one that I have, is actually just holding the garbage and doesn't get the garbage into the air filters. So both ways are pretty good, but it's up to you. It's personal preference. For me, I'd rather have the cover because over there is pretty dirty in my opinion. It's kind of an engine bay, open area for the intake to the air filters where it gets processed and whatnot to have a cleaner air in your car. And if you have the cover, it just holds the garbage and then your air filters process it properly. You can get either one. They are about the same price, but like I said, it's up to you. I actually bought other filters. I bought HEPA filters that I'm gonna install in my car, so stay tuned for that video. And for now, I just have the cover. I might change it later, but I like the cover. And these are the 2 ways you can protect your air filters in your car to have cleaner air inside of your car, and the filters are gonna last way longer. So yep, pick one of these and definitely go for it because it's gonna change your experience with the smell inside your car dramatically. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel because I upload a bunch of Tesla videos. So stay tuned for more. Leave a like, comment, and see you next one. Peace.